Hi everyone, Andy Nichols here. I want to thank everyone for sending your emails in with your questions for our Q&A session. We really received a lot of fantastic questions, and we had to narrow it down to 4 questions just to keep this video at a reasonable length. And so we apologize if we didn't get to your question. We're going to be doing these on a more regular basis, so feel free to submit questions again in the future. But we did narrow it down to 4 questions that we're going to respond to. So let's get started. The first question we're going to discuss came from someone who emailed us about an issue they're having with their employer. They indicated that the employer has not paid them for wages for work that they performed on behalf of the employer, and they want to know what their options are. If you find yourself in a situation like that and you are unable to resolve the issue directly with your employer, you should think about consulting with a labor and employment attorney. They will probably have a little more luck in getting the employer to understand the potential exposure they're looking at. In Maryland, if a lawsuit is filed for unpaid wages, the courts in Maryland have the discretion to award up to 3 times the amount in dispute, or what's called treble damages. And then in addition to that, the court within its discretion can award attorney's fees or portions of attorney's fees that you would have to pay your attorney for bringing the lawsuit on your behalf. The reality of it is I have found that the potential danger and exposure of 3 times or treble damages and attorney's fees will usually get employers to just pony up the money that they owe the employee.